Wait, now go.
We're going to connect the bottom of the first flush diverter to this PVC pipe. And I had already connected to that black PVC pipe, so I did sand the inside of this out lightly. Here, get an old glue off. Trying this Oatey medium clean PVC sand. Medium clear, rather. A little thicker than I'm used to. Wipe some of that off. And this will go in here. Just enough to hold the dirt, but enough to let the water drip out. You can see I have a little spill. Typical do-it-yourselfer. I'm going to paint that anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay. I'm using the PVC cement as part of a water reclamation system where the water comes off the gutter down into a first flush diverter, down into my tank, and then with an overflow spill also.